Alright, in this tutorial I'll be going to teach this song. E Bwana wangu nitakuimbia, mfalme wangu nitakuimbia, wakati ningali na pumuzi nitakuimbia, wakati ningali na pumuzi nitakuimbia, e Bwana. Now I'll be going to break down the chords one on one in this key of F sharp, and I hope you be blessed with this tutorial. But first of all, guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. And if you find this tutorial more interesting, please share to your friends, like, and leave a comment below which particular tutorial and video should I work on next. Now, how we are going to begin this? I'm just basically playing 1, 5, 4, 5. Sorry, my bass line sounds like it's there's some kind of echo, but I hope you're capturing the content. That's the very important thing. Now, 1. E Bwana wangu nitakuimbia, mfalme wangu nitakuimbia, wakati ningali na pumuzi nitakuimbia, wakati ningali na pumuzi nitakuimbia, e Bwana. Now, this is the kind of solo pattern that I'm moving around with, and this is how it's sounding like. Now, this is the kind of solo pattern that I'm moving along with. 5, 1, 3, 5, the fifth note at the highest octave. So this is how it's sounding. Instead of just teaching you notes one by one, let me play it slowly so you just get it right. Alright? Now, this is how it's sounding like. So this is how it's sounding like. And this is how the bass line is going like. Now let me just reduce some echo. Thank you so very much, guys, for watching. Please remember to subscribe and share this tutorial to your friends. I love you so much. See you in the next video, please. Goodbye.